I just left the dentist office here in Cherry Hill. Been coming here forever. I love the dentist. To the little things. So the F250, when we purchased this, did not have the trim rings for the front wheels. That wasn't very to put the F250 6.0 turbo diesel appearance back to what it was. Now, imagine looking at the wheels without those trim rings. Oopsies. How ugly the truck really looks. Now look at your vehicle. I give these away. Now look at your vehicle and say, wow, are the rims all jacked up? Are they all dirty? Is the paint peeling off? Are the hubcaps missing? Or the center caps missing? And then you just add more image deficiencies to your current vehicle, making you not like it anymore. When you love that vehicle at some point in time, you liked that vehicle at some point in time. Maybe you didn't buy it in that condition, or maybe you did buy it and you don't know where the vehicle can be. So look how much nicer this old truck that was used and abused from the prior owners, and I'm making it like new again. Thanks for watching.